Oh, there's that. Santa's over there. Okay, go look, Grayson. Whoa, 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 chill, whoa, chill. Okay. Oh my gosh. They both grabbed the pillows. Whoa, whoa, okay, stop. Okay, stop. Pause. Okay, stop.
3 times.
Okay, pause.
Put the controller down.
Stop. Pause. Okay.
That's not what we asked.
Okay, hi. Hey, Grayson, you can play with it in just a second, okay? Did you guys sing? What'd you get?
He's gonna sleep with it. Watch out, there's drinks on the table.
Yeah, Grayson, back up, Grayson. Grayson, back up. No,
Stop listening.
please listen, Grayson. That's too big. Just play walking around coffee. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No. I'll show you how to do it. Don't do that. I'll show you. Hudson.
Look at our stockings. Full Pokemon cards. You're not Pokemon cards. Look at your stockings.
You get Pokemon cards. You get Pokemon cards. Wait. What is it?
Mr. Miss Bar. Preston, what did you get?
What is it,
I went
Preston?
stuff on my wall.
What is it? Show her. Tell her what it is.
That's like noise canceling, like just design.
Decor.
And then this is like colored ones, so
Do you
they're
like
like
that
smaller,
one?
but they make like
Is
colors.
that the cool one?
That's cool.
Other colors, so I can like mix them
It's
up.
a Wolfie ball. I want to.
And what's the thing in your hand?
I'm gonna push
So-
it. I'm pushing. Did you get one?
No, the other thing. What was that?
Look at that
No,
one.
not that. That one.
That's not from
Oh, you did? I'm sorry.
Energy Fuel.
Mom, what's that for?
It's like an energy drink.
That one you can have. That's for me.
Rapper shoes.
I can open this. Yeah.
Hold on. Chill. Hudson.
Two.
The G stands for gangster.
Good morning. Wait, good morning, Mimi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Tom. Merry Christmas.
Wait, what are you grabbing? Are you grabbing
Yeah,
stuff
it's
out of
okay.
your
It's
stockings?
okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Hey. Whoa, go show her. Go show her. You got a card from her. That's from Mimi. Look. Go show her you got.
Oh, good.
Ask her if you can open it.
We all got him.
Okay.